Hi, Milo and Mitch. What a beautiful day. Where are you heading? Uh-oh, it appears you'll have to choose between these two roads. Which one will it be? Come on, guys, don't fight over this. Which one will it be? Now, you should flip a coin to sort this out. Mitch, you pick heads, and Milo, pick tails, all right? Okay, so the side with the truck is heads, and the side with the number 1 is tails. Great. Let's flip this coin. Okay, let's see. It's heads, guys, so it means that Mitch has won, and he can pick the direction he wants. Milo, Mitch, look at that impressive tree. Guys, looks like something has been put on top of it. Let's check and see what it is. Will you look at that? This is a giant cake. What is it doing up there, though? That cake looks so yummy. Milo doesn't want to retrieve the cake from the tree, Mitch. What if it was someone else's? Well, it's been found already, so why all the fuss? Not again. No! Milo, Mitch, Cranes, can you get to the other side of the branch? All right, okay, no worries. Maverick will get you out of there in no time. Just hold on a bit longer. Hey, Maverick, enjoying this beautiful day? A bright sunshine and an ice cream. Well, you aren't so badly off. Oops, I spoke too soon. Let's see what happens, Maverick. You know what needs to be done, Maverick? Hey guys, such a good idea to freshen up on this very hot day. Take a deep breath, Maverick, and calm down. Max, Milo and Mitch need your help. They're stuck by fire and can't get out. Sorry, Marty. Max must go, but he'll come back to play with you. Which way should you choose, Maverick? There, look, a coin. They must have gone this way. Look at this smoke. It better hurry up, guys. Milo, Mitch, are you okay? Hold on. Slow down a bit, Maverick. Max is handling the situation. Amazing, Max. Thanks so much for rescuing the Cranes. How are you feeling, Cranes? And thanks to you, Maverick, see, there was nothing to worry about. Now, Mitch still wonders how come a cake was hanging on top of a tree. Oh, right. Maverick hid that birthday cake for you guys because he knows it's your birthday. He wanted to wait till tonight to celebrate since the day is so hot. Right. It explains all the worrying. You thought all of this was your fault? It's okay, Maverick. Everything's fine now. You're right, Milo. It's time to eat that cake. Oh my! You finally agree on something, guys. It must be a miracle. Easy, boys. Well done. Enjoy your birthday cake, my friends. See you soon.
Milo! Mitch! Why did you do that to Marty? He said he'd make a better pirate than you. He does spend a lot of time at sea. I know! Maverick can help us settle this. Maverick! Great circus skills! Marty, Milo, and Mitch were arguing, and they dropped Marty in the ocean. Can you stop them fighting? They are arguing about who would be the best pirate. You have any ideas to stop them? Mia, Maverick needs your help setting something up. Do you think you can help? Thanks, Mia. Hey guys, Maverick has an idea to solve your argument. Are you guys listening? Mia is setting up a treasure hunt for you guys to see who really is the best pirate. There are 3 locations where Mia has hidden the treasure. Everyone has a map. Whoever gets the most treasure wins. We will meet on the beach when you're done. Are you ready? Okay, go! Hey guys, all done? It looks like you have one each. That means it's a draw. Let's have a tiebreaker. Whoever can make the best pirate costume wins. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Nice eye patches, guys. Nice earring, Maverick. Marty, you look just like a pirate ship. I think Marty is the clear winner here, guys.
Guys, quick! Well done, Mo. Wow, awesome shot, Max. Guess who's coming to play volleyball? I don't think Max wants to play with you, Marty. You're too clumsy. Last time you played volleyball, you got the ball stuck up in a tree. Looks like it's your lucky day, Marty. You're in. Marty, that was the only volleyball. Oh dear, Marty, you've really messed up. Hey, why don't we call Maverick and see if he can help out? Better put that down and go inside, Maverick. Clumsy Marty threw Max and Mo's volleyball into the sea. Can you help? Cheer up, Marty. Here comes Maverick. Marty was playing volleyball with Max and Mo, but he hit the ball too hard, and it flew all the way into the sea. Now, how are we going to get it out?
Oh!
Hey, where's Maverick? Whoa, Maverick, what are you doing? Get out of the way, Marty. What's wrong? Looks like your wheel is trapped. Can you move it? No? Oh dear. You'd better sound your horn and hope Marty hears you. I think Maverick's in trouble. Come on, Marty.
Yeah.
We have to do something.
Wow.
Awesome work, guys. We'd better tell Max and Mo they can have their volleyball back. Wow, Marty. Great shot. See you all soon. Have a great game, guys.
Are they fighting again? Milo, look where you're going! Wow, that was close! You think you're going to fall off? No! Hey, Maverick, Milo and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help? They were arguing and fell off the bridge.
Look.
We need to find them quickly. Guys, you're okay! But you're stuck, right? You'd better find a way to move. These waters are dangerous. You don't want to float into the sea. Mitch, you made a sail! You have a real boat now! You've got some speed going now! Guys, you're heading towards a waterfall! Mia, you should stop!
Brother, vou avisar. Aqui.
I'm not surprised you're dizzy. What happened?
Tururu, vem.
Oh, an emergency landing went wrong, eh? Mia, Milo, and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help?
Aqui.
Milo and Mitch fell off the bridge. We need to hurry. That was genius! Where will you land? Now you just need to wait for rescue. Maverick, they already fell. You'd better hurry. Oh, Mia is rescuing them? You have an important job too. Still fighting, guys. You need to make up. Mia is here to rescue you anyway. Thank you, Mia.
Brother, Bob.
Guys, don't you think you should stop fighting? Remember what happened? Take care, guys.
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.